Hello there! Right, I'm out on Pocklington Canal having a little paddle and I've been cooking some breakfast, but I thought I'd talk you through, while I was out, I thought I'd talk you through one of my favourite, well this is actually my favourite camp cook setup. I love this so much. So it's just stuff that I've put together myself and I'll show you what's in it. So obviously there's a drawstring bag. Inside this drawstring bag you've got 2 pans, a fry pan and a deeper pan. Each of these pans has got measurements on to make things easier. And then inside here there's a few other things. So there's another cup which we'll take out, spork, gas can stand, I'll show you what we need that for in a second, another spork, a knife, can opener, a couple of lighters and a Kelly Kettle's hot lips. Inside this one, this is the magic one. So we've got a 750ml cup thereabouts, and inside here, stove. So this particular one is the OEX Etna. I also favour the MSR Pocket Rocket 2 because that fits in this setup quite nicely as well. Look at that, small and compact. That was difficult, Carly. And then the pièce de resistance, the gas can. And everything fits in the one setup. Obviously the gas can, that's what you need the stand for. So you can, if you wanted to, just take this out and a little pocket foldable spork, a lighter, that kind of thing, your hot lips. So there's a lot of flexibility with this setup that I really like. Altogether, this setup weighs about 850 to 900 grams, but you can chop and change and put things out, take things out, put things in as you need them. So it's just really good. And it all just kind of slots back in, slot it all in. Fry pan lid back on. Back in, here we go. So yeah, really nice little setup. I love this, as I say, and it's just so small and portable, and everything's in there that you're going to need for cooking a meal. The only thing that isn't in there is your food. And that gas can, that small gas can, that's lasted me a full overnight trip using it several times. If you like this little video, by all means give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. Hope you did like it. And if you like what I'm doing on the channel, by all means subscribe. Costs you nothing, just means that you get a notification whenever you open up YouTube if ever I've uploaded another video. How cool is that? Because let's face it, you wouldn't want to miss out, eh? Right, thank you so much for watching. You take care. I'll see you soon.